Welcome everyone, I'm James and I'm gonna start YouTube today. So I thought, as I like Pokemon, also it's my birthday today. I got a Mega Blastoise training card pack, and I got the evolution pack. So I'm gonna start opening. Okay everyone, I'm gonna make sure you can see the QR code. I'm a little weird, I don't like people knowing my QR code. Thank you for understanding. So, this is good. 1, 2. So what you do is you count 1, 2, 3 from the back. Make sure they're 3. Pull it to the front. The 3 from the back, pull it to the front. And then spin it over. Start it off. We have a Kakuna. Thank you, Kakuna. We have a Full Heal. That's going to help me a lot. Oh, guys, ready? Machoke. Ready. We got a Magikarp. Yeah, everyone likes Magikarp. Next, after Magikarp, we have a Electabuzz. Whoop whoop! Clap for loads of Electabuzz, everyone. We have the Filthy Rodent, Rattata. Everyone, please give another round of applause for the loyal Growlithe. We have got a Arena. And then next, we have a shiny wee coffin. Everyone, clap for the last pack. Now, I've done a little more pack opening than on video. I kind of opened them because I didn't know I was allowed to make a YouTube video, because I have to be my age. I can't really tell you, but I'm just gonna go get it. Here, my trusty pal. No. Here we go. Hello everyone, back. Yes, I am in my car, by the way. We're just picking up my little brothers. So, for my birthday, I got my... Ready for this? Mewtwo. Now, I'm going to open it and show you everything that I got today. Some of the old Pokemon, I know. So, yep, good, everything's here. Today, I've got my lucky, don't know if you can see that, it's a Rowlet coin. Everyone. So, as well, I'm going to put this down here. We have got to start off. Let me just get looking. It's still energy. We got a... I'm going to give you a front seat blow, everyone. Please bear with me for a moment. Okay, everyone, I'm having second thoughts, so we're going to continue this in the next video. Thank you. This is Tyrannatuba signing off. Thanks, guys.